This is EcoFlow GLACIER. It's the world's first 3-in-1 portable fridge freezer with an integrated ice maker. In this video, we will show you how to use GLACIER. Open the box. Take out the foam. Take out all accessories. These are all GLACIER's accessories. GLACIER comes with independent temperature control of the two compartments. Take out the temperature zone divider and turn it into one big space for either refrigeration or freezing. Press the button and you see the ice making area. It's made of food-grade materials and the drainage pipe is antibacterial. To turn GLACIER on, short press the power button. To turn it off, press and hold it for 3 seconds. You'll see off on the screen. Before using the product, don't forget to read through the Quick Start Guide. Scan the QR code and download the EcoFlow app. Connect with the AC power adapter and the cable. Open the battery cover and push in the plug-in battery. Please note that the plug-in battery is sold separately. Find and connect your GLACIER on the EcoFlow app. Lots can be done with the app. You can set GLACIER to the cooling or freezing mode, adjust the temperatures or different zones, make large or small ice cubes, set it to eco mode, and check the run time. Stock up on food and soft drinks as you need. With a 38-liter capacity, it holds 60 cans of 330 milliliter drinks at most. Here you can adjust the temperature of each zone. Take out the divider and now it's one single space. Set the temperature for this single zone here. Clean the ice marking area with a soft cloth, pour in an appropriate amount of water, and pull out the drain pipe to drain it. It is recommended to clean the ice maker and container after making ice every time. Pour in drinking water. The water level should be between the minimum line and the maximum line. Also, make sure the ice container is in place, or it alerts that the container is missing and the ice making function is down. Close the lid, then short press the ice making button. You see the ice cube icon flash, and short press the button again to select what size of ice cubes you'd like to have. No action needed in the next 5 seconds, and it starts to make ice. When the ice making is done, you hear a beeping sound and the app notifies you as well. You can open the lid, lift one end of the ice container, and enjoy the beautiful solid ice cubes. Use the ice shovel to remove the ice cubes. If you're not planning to consume all ice cubes immediately, you can store them in the freezer. The plug-in battery has a 100-watt USB-C port of both input and output. It can charge your laptops, phones, and other small devices, whether it's in or out of the fridge. When taken out of GLACIER, you can use it as a mini power bank and recharge it through the USB-C port. These are the wheels and lever, all detachable. You can also charge Glacier using an EcoFlow power station. The protective bag can shield it from daily wear and tear and rain and dust, and provide thermal insulation. See our support center for more tutorial videos.